What's up, y'all? So today in this video I don't even know what the heck we're doing. We were gonna do a photo shoot here in Sac, but now we're probably gonna be heading out to a city not that far from here. What is it, like 45 minutes? Like 45 minutes from here. It's called Auburn. My buddy came over with his Camaro. We're both straight pipes, so it's gonna be a fun ride heading over there. And a few other of our friends are gonna meet us up close to my house actually, and then from there we're just gonna head out. So I'll see you when we're on the road. Right now we're on the freeway. We're trying to catch up to my friend with the Camaro. Here's one of my friends right here in the Subi. He just bought it not too long ago. And then over here we got my boy Nissan rolling. Okay, looking heck of wet. But yeah, we're just gonna try to catch up to my other friend, and I'll probably do another update once we get to Newcastle, which is the first stop we're stopping at. Hey, we caught up to him. You can see him right there in the slow ass narrow. But yeah, now that we caught up to him, we're just gonna cruise, slow it down probably a bit, and I'll just see you when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we just got here to Newcastle. As you can see, my car is back there. Homie's car is over here. Right now we're just gonna figure out where in this city we're gonna shoot at first, and then after we shoot here, we're gonna head up to Auburn, which is like 10 minutes away from here. But look at this wet Subi though. My boy just got it.
I thought you guys kept on going.
We were hauling ass on the way here. By hauling ass, I mean like one over the speed limit. Wink, wink.
Yeah, I did.
So we're pretty much there. We're basically maybe like 5 minutes out. The roads here are super dope though. We're basically just up in the hills. You can see we're just chilling up here. Let me downshift real quick. I don't know if you guys heard that. It's kind of hard to record and drive and shift at the same time, but I hope you guys got a glimpse of what the car sounds. There's a lot of curves, so I'm just gonna stop filming right now until we park. So, alright, y'all, we made it to Auburn. You can see my friend Steven's car right here. You've seen this car before. It's the one that's bagged. So this is where we're at. It's a hiking spot. It's about like 50 minutes away from where I'm from, which is Sacramento. It's Auburn, California. Been here a few times before. I've only brought the Stang here once. I'll show you the lineup we got right now. So it's my car, 350, the Camaro, and the Subi.
Look normal.
And then here are the boys.
Oh, look normal. Look normal.
Smiling look normal.
Boys. Smiling wave.
Alright, so I was telling this dude that he should gas his car and turn right before here and then go into the air right over the part of the river, and that I'll get like a rolling shot while he's midair. But he's not trying to do it, so y'all gotta hype him up to do it. Tell me what you're gonna do with the brick.
Fucking, I'll put in the gas and then right there on the clutch, I'll let go, jump out.
Comment below if you want him to do it.
How to be low?
No, comment below.
Oh yeah, comment below if you want this dude to jump, but we're gonna have to come back to the river.
Smash that like button.
What he said.
Smash that like button if you want me to do it.
He still won't do it though. But we're basically just gonna chill here and maybe go down the road and find other spots to shoot around here. And that's basically it till we head back. So I'll probably do another update once we're going somewhere else, or we'll see what happens. Alright, so we decided to just leave the spot that we were taking pictures at. We're lined up here. We're about to eat at McDonald's because we're hungry, and we're like really far away from where we're from. And it's probably like the only thing that's here in this small ass town. The one thing I am gonna say is, if you haven't driven up in the hills or in the mountains and curvy ass roads, definitely do it. It's super fun. We were all having a lot of fun.
Especially in the Subaru.
Especially in the Subaru. Super for the win in the turns for sure. The Stang did have oversteer Some of the turns,
Honestly,
his
you guys-
Camaros had the same thing.
You guys were taking it down way faster than I was, you know, honestly. Even if it's a Subaru. Take a L.
There was one turn where we were coming up that I felt like, no, I almost felt the back end go loose even with traction on, so I just let off and then it was fine. But for that little like split second, I was like, damn, if I would have stepped on it a little more, maybe it would have broke a little bit, but with traction on, it probably wouldn't have lost it. But that's basically it. Go drive in the hills if you haven't already, and that's basically it for today. If you like the vlog, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks for watching.